This episode tackles the myth that microwaving destroys nutrients more than any other cooking method. In a controlled kitchen test, broccoli is steamed, boiled, and microwaved, while vitamin C retention is tracked with simple color tests. The data reveal that short microwaving with little water preserves nutrients as well as conventional methods, while overcooking skews results. Experts explain that nutrient loss hinges on time, heat, and water exposure rather than the appliance itself. By the end, viewers see a clear takeaway that smart timing and minimal water protect nutrients, no magic required.